Hi everyone. Um, Welcome to our lesson 36, and my name is Professor Robert. In today's lesson, we will learn factoring, the difference of two squares in one problem. Right, let's get right into it. Let's supposing we had the first example given as factor 16m to the power 4 minus n to the power 4. You can clearly see that this is the difference of two squares, and this can be written as 4m squared minus n squared to the power 2. N squared to the power 2. So, um, from our past example, um, when you have a difference of squares, we can actually use the new factored terms and uh, uh, multiply them out uh, as conjugate to one another. For example, this then will become 4m squared minus n squared, all multiplied by 4m squared plus n squared. When you multiply out these conjugative expressions, we get back our initial uh, uh, expression. However, you still realize that 4m squared minus n squared is a difference of squares. So we can again break this one down. We can factor it into two, uh, two parentheses, 2m minus n into 2m plus n. It's a difference of squares, so we can just multiply two expressions conjugative to each other and get our initial expression 4m squared minus n squared. This one can't be simplified any further, so we just have to multiply this one by 4m squared plus n squared, close brackets. So this shows that we have factored the difference of two squares in one problem. All right, now let's try another example number 2. Example number 2. Factor a to the power 4 minus 81 b to the power 4. Clearly, this is a difference of two squares, and we can easily write as a squared minus 9b squared multiplied by a squared plus 9b squared. Again, just like in the first example, this is the difference of squares. So we can break this down into a minus 3 squared, sorry, 3b into um, a plus 3b into this term here. a squared plus 9b squared. And that will be our final answer. In other words, we'll have factored the difference of two squares, these two squares, in one problem. Okay, and then lastly, I wanted us to try this third example. It says factor 81 minus x to the power 4. This can be, again, be broken into, say, 3 squared minus x squared into 3 squared plus x to the power 2. So this then gives us a difference of squares here. So this becomes 3 minus x multiplied by 3 plus x, and then we multiply that with that expression 3 squared, which is 9, plus x squared. And this will be our final answer. All right. So that 3 squared could be written, but this could be written as 9, but the difference is the same. All right. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.